Hey guys, what's up? So today at peak hours, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, I am going to be self-tanning for the first time. I did a lot of research beforehand, like what is the best self-tanner. This, had the most hype probably. The only thing is they said like this is great if you are used to tanning. So I'm not, but I got it. I got 2 different types of tanners. They're both by Sosu. It's Dripping Gold Luxury Tanning. So I need to be up at 10 tomorrow, 9:30, 10, realistically 10. Leave on for 7 hours. Perfect. So I have the mousse right here. But today we're going to try the lotion. I have not seen any for that. They're supposed to do the same thing. Apparently the lotion is supposed to be just a tiny bit more subtle. And so, let's see. Okay. I'm opening it for the first time and already there's like poo-poo stains. I'm scared to touch my camera now. What the hell is that? Okay. I have gloves, okay? I am not using the mitt because apparently if you just wear gloves, it really helps to rub it around. Pretty good. This didn't end up being the case. I ended up using the mitt because for the lotion, the gloves definitely just spread it around instead of rubbing it in. So first off, I'm going to take a shower, which is also not recommended. But I read somewhere that if you if you do need to take a shower, because I need to take a shower, do a cold shower. So I'm gonna take a quick little, just wash my body in some nice cold water, and then I will be back.
2 hours later.
It's 3 in the morning right now. That took me a minute. I have a sample of drops of Isle of Paradise. So I'm probably just gonna use that in the morning. I totally got it on my hands. I look like I'm looking in my thing and it looks like I just rubbed mud on myself. It was so hard to get my back. I don't even know if I really got it or if I got it or really any of you. We'll find out in the morning. Hey you guys, so it's about 11:30 right now. I've already been awake and out in public. I had to wake up and get my medication, which I have to go take really quick. Anyways, so I'm waking up and I'm seeing the tan, and I feel like I'm a little orange. I sleep with my hands like this. I decided to take my shirt off to, make sure I didn't sweat. And let me show you guys. So see the front. All right, first off, this. I hope that comes off in the shower. And second off, I think that's from me. Hopefully when I shower off, it'll be a little bit less. Let's see.
15 minutes later.
Looking in the camera thing, and I know that I look a little orange maybe. The streaks that I had on my stomach went away, so that's good. As well as the big one right here kind of went away in my hands.